I don't blame you for not knowing all of these updates that have happened in the past few weeks in the world of AI. Here are the biggest things you need to know. In our new era of AI, every child now has an AI tutor that is infinitely patient, infinitely knowledgeable, and infinitely helpful. This era is now.
3, 2, 1, 2.
Hi, I'm the Synthesis Tutor, and I'm here to help you learn.
What? I love this idea.
That seems interesting.
This thing is smart. Let me test it.
Oh, this is cool.
Seeing the big story in order to figure things out for themselves. That is the wonder and power of mathematics. And that's what I want to teach students.
Which direction might be the easiest?
Backwards.
I agree. I like that 50 plus 50 gives us 100.
Ooh. My strategy is add up to a number ending in zeros.
470.
Exactly. I'm impressed.
1,000. Yeah.
Well done. We can keep going with more groups of 10.
Oh, now I get it.
Now 1 million.
Milton went extra wild. He called it a Googleplex.
Googleplex.
Do you still have energy for an extra one?
I'm gonna do one more.
What is the value of 63 quintillion times 0?
0.
Spot on. What if we hadn't invented the symbol 0?
I didn't know that 0 was that important. I just thought it meant nothing. That was really fun.
Great job. I can't wait for our next session. See you then.
You can now use ChatGPT with Siri. You can start new chats. You can continue old chats.
Let's chat.
Yes?
New chat.
Yes?
Can you come up with a dinner recipe for me?
One sec. Of course. I'd be happy to help you come up with a dinner recipe. What ingredients do you have on hand? And do you have any dietary preferences or restrictions?
I want something with chicken and broccoli.
On it. How about a delicious and healthy recipe for garlic chicken with roasted broccoli? Here's...
So check this out. We're going into our app. So this is the official ChatGPT app. You're going to notice that the conversation I was just having via the Siri integration is now actually just in the app. So right, I can just chat with it here with text. I can continue my conversation. I can refer to previous ones I've had.
Check out McKay on Twitter for this one. Gen 2 is now available in Runway ML for you to use. You just write text and video pops up. My buddy on Twitter, Timmy, he makes videos like this in Runway all the time. You can see the different styles. He's really good at the prompting here, so I have no idea what I'm gonna write. Look at the results you can get with this. All right, I just entered like a Japanese mom cooking ramen noodle soup in the style of a Ghibli. Let's see what happens. All right, we got 4 seconds of this. All right, more looks like he or she is eating ramen. Let's try man on a bike riding through New York City, POV. Okay, this is looking promising. Let's see. Oh, wow. Yo, this actually looks sick. Okay, we just gotta try another one. Eagle flying over the Grand Canyon. Okay, let's see. Yeah, not really what I was looking for, but hey, if this is Gen 2, I can't wait for Gen 5. We now got text to 3D character. So here you can see Taffy, which is a text to 3D character engine. So middle-aged Asian guy, make him older and shorter, and it just happens. Now, let's give him a uniform that makes it looks like he's from a sci-fi film. Many different ones there. Middle-length hair, and if it was a woman, now take out here, let's give her a buzz cut, like the original character. So a girl with no hair, I'll go back to the older man. So all this with text and natural language. Can you show me 4 stages of him turning into an alien and actually generating? Yeah, these ones look way wonky. And then you can actually put them into a game. So export to Unreal. This is literally wild. So you can just turn them into anything in any game. And VFX. Last time I talked about text to 3D, people were going crazy, but now they're going insane. Microsoft has launched a free AI course for beginners, and people are absolutely loving it. In it, you'll learn different approaches to artificial intelligence, including the good old symbolic approach with the knowledge representation and reasoning, neural networks and deep learning, using code in the two most popular frameworks, TensorFlow and PyTorch, neural architectures, images and text, even going into less popular AI approaches such as generic algorithms and multi-agent systems. Just look at all this good content. The one that I want to try to go into is the computer vision module. Look at these crazy graphics. This is really detailed, even including semantic segmentation. Yeah, this is worth checking out. Just search Microsoft AI for beginners. Here's an AI robot that watches a YouTube video and then cooks it for you. University of Cambridge literally made carrot and apple. You can feed an entire baby with that. This ChatGPT web browsing trick is fantastic. Just go to GPT-4 and make sure that browsing is enabled. I'll give you a link to my website. I want you to give me a list of FAQs potential customers might have. Gonna start by browsing the web, clicking on a link. As you can see, based on a review of your website, what is Mollyjogger? What is the history? Who is the founder? Amazing things you can add to your website, like free shipping on orders over 99 bucks. Now we can ask, are there any objections customers may have to buying that we should address? Simple questions, huge results based on the data of your website. Hey, before we go to the next segment, I just want to remind you that we do have a Patreon, where you can get bonus content, live streams, AI courses, AI code, AI automations, and everything. So check the description down below. The community is growing. Also, don't forget to like the video and stay to the end of this video because these next ones are gonna be fun. They ask Sam Altman, after doing AI for so long, what have you learned about humans?
So one is I grew up implicitly thinking that intelligence was this like really special human thing and kind of somewhat magical. And I now think that it's sort of a fundamental property of matter. That's definitely a change to my worldview. I think kind of like the history of scientific discovery is that humans are less and less at the center. We used to think that like sun rotated around us, and then maybe at least we were, if not that, we were like going to be the center of the galaxy, and there wasn't this big universe, and then multiverse like really is kind of weird and depressing. And if intelligence isn't special, like again, we're just like further and further away from like main character energy. But that's all right. That's sort of like a nice thing to realize, actually. I feel like I have learned something deep, but I'm having a hard time putting it into words. But it's like something about it, even if like humans aren't special in terms of intelligence, we are incredibly important. I won't have the consciousness debate here, but like I think there's something strange and very important going on with humans, and I really deeply hope we preserve all of that.
Did you hear about an AI prompt optimizer? Look, this is prompt perfect and it elevates your prompts. Just log in to get started. They have the beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. Let's do beginner. Let's write a joke about ChatGPT, and I think we can just click on enter. Okay, it's optimizing. Okay, look at the optimized prompt. Your task is to create a joke related to ChatGPT, incorporating the name or characteristics of the language model. The joke should be creative and original, making use of puns. Puns ain't punny, and it just creates it even longer. Before, via the original prompt, write a joke. You can see the ChatGPT output here and the optimized prompt. Why did ChatGPT refuse to talk to the other language models? Because it was too busy processing all the puns and jokes about its name. I'm sorry I showed you this website. No, but let's try another thing, like original prompt. I want to code a web app that has a countdown timer and a button. Okay, the prompt is way longer and gives a more detailed answer. But the original one just straight up gave me the code. So yeah, I don't think I would use this tool. Probably have to be very advanced prompt engineer to get good value out of this. This supermarket restaurant hires robots to serve food. So here you can see them. They're just zooming around the supermarket restaurant there, giving the food to the people. It has no human waiters, but only chefs. So the chef will load the food into the robot, obviously. Customers book seats and order meals with their phone. So very convenient through the app, and they also buy ingredients on site, so it looks kind of fresh right there. And obviously a supermarket, a conveyor system then sends the ingredients to the kitchen. Awesome. I mean, it's a supermarket, so they have a grocery. Customers can check the cooking progress via the smart display. Hey, that's pretty cool. Like in progress, and the delivery robot is enclosed to ensure freshness and hygiene, obviously. Wow, that looks really cool. If the restaurant is full, the robot will refrigerate the ingredients as well. Okay, a little robot arm. When I've gone to Asian countries, this is more prominent. I've yet to see it in European countries. Do you think that this will become more popular? 10 AI startups Y Combinator is investing in. The first one is Off One. Automate your drive-through with best-in-class AI. It can intelligently upsell, like suggesting ice cream on a hot day. Number 2 is TrueWind, which is an AI-powered bookkeeping and finance software for startups. We connect your bank account, auto-categorize the transactions that they do recognize, and then for the ones that they don't, you just reply in plain, simple English. Number 3 is Code Complete, which is an AI-powered code completion tool for enterprise. Number 4 is Lightsky, an AI-powered sales assistant that can automate the sales process. This seems a lot like what HubSpot is doing. Number 5, Second. It provides an AI developer bot that can generate web applications or add full stack features to existing ones. Number 6, Corgi AI, which is an AI to detect payment frauds and improve company revenue. Number 7 is Hardius, which automates severely key compliance processes for SEC regulated firms. Number 8 is Easy Dubs, which dubs videos and live streams into different languages. Number 9 is Berry AI, that lets you build production ready ChatGPT apps for their customers. And number 10, Booth AI, that replaces current commercial product lifestyle photo shoots with generative AI. You can build a free AI avatar with ChatGPT. It looks like this.
And you too can create an avatar like me.
Step number 1, go to the plugin store and then install the HeyGen plugin for ChatGPT. Now you can ask ChatGPT to help me create a video with the following transcript, and then he pastes a transcript in here, and this is the output.
I'm an AI avatar, brought to life by Abhishek using ChatGPT.
Take a look at this list. This is the Alpaca Evil leaderboard. You can see GPT-4 in the top, Claude, ChatGPT, Wizard LM13B, Some of these open source models has been able to beat DaVinci 3.0. Now, how good is this auto evaluator? It has higher agreement with human major vote than a single human annotator. The resulting win rates are highly correlated with human ones on 18,000 annotations. So which model is best? GPT-4 is still at the top, Claude, ChatGPT, then you have Wizard LM 13B, saying it's impressive how open models have improved since Alpaca, but they're still far from the podium. Hopefully this will challenge open source models to climb that leaderboard. Let's see if they can step up to the task. Here's a new way to make videos.
A long time ago at Lady Winterbottom's lovely tea party, which is
in the smoking ruins and ashes of New York City,
a fierce woman ain't playing no games and is out to kick some butts.
Against the unimaginable, brutal, merciless, and scary
lobby boy of the delightful Grand Budapest Hotel.
Hi.
And everything seems doomed and lost until
a super handsome man arises, the true hero and great mastermind behind all of this.
All created in Runway ML Gen 1 that's available to everyone. These creative tools open new worlds to filmmakers. Here are the best AI art videos this week. That was just so good.
Is that profane? Come join the game. You started with frenzy, but we'll take the blame.
So that's all for today's news. Thank you so much for watching. Click this video for yesterday's episode. Join the Patreon also. All right, peace.